Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as this will encourage me to make more videos for you guys. Thank you so much, and also don't forget to give this video a like, and also you can share it with your friends and family. They might need this video as well. Thank you so much as you do that. So today I'm going to show you how you can transfer your cryptocurrency from your Binance account to an external wallet. Maybe it might be Trust Wallet or MetaMask or Atomic Wallet, any wallet that you want to transfer your cryptocurrency to. It's the same process. Or maybe you want to transfer it to exchange, like you want to transfer your cryptocurrency from Binance to another exchange like KuCoin, like Kates, like Hotbit, and so on. So it's the same process for all of them. So what you have to do is, after you have bought your, maybe you bought a particular coin, let's say for example BUSD or USDT, you bought it on P2P. I made a video previously on how to buy coin on P2P platform. You can check my previous videos, and I also made another video on how to transfer from P2P wallet to spot wallet, because when you buy a particular cryptocurrency on P2P, you cannot use it on P2P. You cannot transfer it to another wallet from P2P, and you cannot use that coin to trade if the coin is still in your P2P wallet. So in order for you to use the cryptocurrency to trade, or maybe you want to transfer it out of Binance, you have to transfer it to your spot wallet first. I made a video concerning that. You can check my previous video. So today I'm going to show you how we use BUSD as an example. So I'm going to transfer BUSD from my Binance account to my Trust wallet. So it's the same process for everything. So now when you open your Binance account, this is the page that you will have first. So in order to transfer your cryptocurrency, you go to wallet, then you click on spot. So my BUSD is here, so I will click on BUSD because that is the coin I want to transfer. So I will click on withdraw. Then you will go back to where you actually want to transfer the coin to, maybe Trust Wallet or MetaMask or Atomic Wallet, any of the external wallet that you want to transfer the coin to, or maybe it is exchange. You go back to that exchange, you look for the coin, the same coin that you want to transfer, maybe it is BUSD. You check that exchange if they have BUSD, then you copy the wallet address from that exchange or from that wallet. If it is wallet, you copy the address from the wallet. If it is exchange, you copy the address from the exchange. Now I've copied my own from Trust Wallet, so I'll paste it here. I'll paste it at this place. So I've pasted my address. Then you have to select the network, and note BUSD is mostly BIP20. BIP20 is on BIP20 network. So you click BIP20 and you click on confirm. So then you enter the amount. If you want to transfer maximum, you click on maximum. But for me, I want to transfer 20.18. That's the amount I want to transfer. And one thing about transferring BUSD out of Binance, you transfer with zero charges, like they don't deduct any amount. So like there is no transaction fee, you understand? So you can see at the down part here, there is no transaction fee. So I'll click on withdraw. After I've entered all those informations, my address, and I've changed the network to BIP20. Note Once again, BUSD is on BIP20, BNB is on BIP20, USDT is on BIP20, is on ARC20 also. So it depends. So whichever you want to transfer, just try and check the network first before you transfer the coin, so that you will not transfer to another address and you will not lose your coin. So I'll click on confirm. So if you ask me to do the verification stuff, I'll click on send code. So I will input those codes now. So I'll input the code that was sent to my mail and my phone number. So I'll click on submit. So and I'll wait for approval. So if you can see that the withdrawal request has been submitted, so that means the transfer was successful. So if I go back to my wallet and check my wallet, I will have 20.18 BUSD already. So that is how to transfer any cryptocurrency that you want to transfer out of your Binance account to another to an external wallet or to an external exchange. Is the same process. Just make sure that you copy the address and you take note of the network, if it is BIP20 or ERC20 or BIP2 or TRC10. Anyone, just take note of the network before you transfer the coin. So that is that. Thank you so much for watching this video once again, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and God bless you. See you again.